Welcome to The Explainer. I am so incredibly excited to have you here today because we are looking at something literally game-changing. If you've ever dreamt of building a highly profitable, completely automated online business from absolute scratch, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are cracking open the ultimate playbook to actually make that happen.
Let's be real for a second. How many of you want that digital entrepreneur freedom, but you just completely freeze up at the thought of putting your face on camera? Or maybe you're thinking, look, I don't have graphic design skills, I don't know how to edit videos, and I definitely don't know what to say. Well, what if I told you that camera shyness and a lack of technical skills are literally no longer barriers to entry? No way, right? But it's true. And that brings us to our core definition for today, the Faceless AI Business Blueprint. This is a complete step-by-step strategy. We're talking about using artificial intelligence as the ultimate leveler. The AI is going to do all the heavy lifting for you, building an anonymous brand, generating highly engaging viral content, and ultimately driving high-ticket affiliate sales, all while you remain completely 100% behind the scenes.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is the exact roadmap we are going to cover today. 1. The faceless business model. 2. Finding your profitable niche. 3. Creating content with AI. 4. Monetizing with affiliate marketing. And 5. The 30-day growth plan.
Kicking things off with Section 1, the faceless business model.
So grounding ourselves in the overarching playbook, this entire business model really just boils down to 4 simple steps. We start with some incredibly easy AI prompts to find our profitable little corner of the internet. Then we get the AI to build out our entire brand identity. The names, the bios, everything. From there, we generate content specifically designed to go viral, and we cap the whole thing off by connecting that new audience to affiliate products that actually pay us. It's simple, it's structured, and it is highly effective.
Moving right along to Section 2, finding your profitable niche.
You know how people agonize for weeks over what their business should even be? We're skipping that entirely. By simply prompting ChatGPT for highly profitable social media niches that do not require any face time, it instantly generated this list. Motivational quotes, personal finance, travel, DIY, luxury lifestyles. Getting started is literally as simple as asking the right question. The AI hands you the data-backed answers in seconds.
For the sake of this explainer, we're going to run with the money mindset quotes niche. It's wildly popular and always gets high engagement. And check this out. When we asked ChatGPT to build a brand identity around that, it immediately spit out these super credible professional account names like Mindset Mentor Daily and Elite Motivation Hub. It even writes the perfectly optimized bio for you. Blank page syndrome, totally cured.
Section 3, creating content with AI. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it shifts our entire approach to daily content.
So how do we actually build this daily content engine without hitting a wall? Most creators get totally stuck during the creation phase, but AI makes it incredibly frictionless. We break it down into 3 micro steps. First, we use AI to write a gripping hook and a multi-part script. Second, we drop that exact text into a free Canva template. And third, we ask the AI to write a super engaging caption before we hit post. It's basically a straight line assembly process.
But what kind of content should we actually be making? Let's contrast standard posts with story arc carousels. Right now, your standard single images generally have lower algorithmic reach, but carousels, they are absolutely blowing up across Instagram. Why? Because they literally keep users swiping. That increases their watch time, which sends massive positive signals to the algorithm, basically forcing it to push your post out to even more people.
And a design workflow is almost too easy. You hop into Canva, which is free, and you literally just search Black Instagram Carousel Post. You pick a free 7-slide template, duplicate the text blocks, and just paste in that 7-slide script ChatGPT already wrote for you. Slide 1 gets the hook, the middle slides get the value, and slide 7 gets your call to action. Download it, post it, you just created a professional piece of content in minutes.
All right, on to the climax. Section 4, monetizing with affiliate marketing.
So, this is the crucial point. How we build the actual funnel that turns an anonymous follower into a paying customer. Step 1. We ask the AI to identify high-converting affiliate programs tailored perfectly to our Mindset niche. Step 2. We grab our unique affiliate link and slap it right in our Instagram bio. Step 3. We use the final slide of every single carousel to drive traffic directly to that link. Every post becomes a tiny salesperson working for you around the clock.
Check this out. When we prompted ChatGPT to find the absolute best affiliate product for our Money Mindset account, it bypassed all the usual suspects and found this amazing independent gem, the NeuroGym Brain Training Program. It perfectly aligns with folks who are seeking personal growth and goal achievement tools. It is an incredibly seamless fit for the audience we are actively building.
And here is the absolute kicker. 40%. That is the commission rate for this specific affiliate program. Every time someone clicks the link in your bio and makes a purchase, you keep almost half the revenue. For a completely faceless, automated bot account, pulling in a 40% commission on a highly reputable product, that's absolutely massive.
Oh, but it gets better. Take a look at the price range of this product line, from $497 all the way up to $8,000. I mean, just pause and think about that for a second. Imagine a faceless brand, essentially a digital ghost running on AI scripts and free Canva templates, casually dropping an $8,000 sale, and you keep 40% of it? It sounds wild, but this is the reality of high-ticket affiliate marketing. Let's tie it all together. Section 5, the 30-day growth plan.
Now, obviously, none of this works without momentum. Consistency is the engine of this entire business model. You can't just post once and walk away. Step 1 is scheduling your content in advance. Step 2 is implementing daily growth hacks to actually train the algorithm. And Step 3 is optimizing your conversions. So let's see how the AI structures this month for us.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how structured and comprehensive the AI's 30-day calendar actually is. Day 1 is a carousel about 5 daily habits. Day 2 is a reel with an inspirational quote. Day 3 is a mindset shift story. The AI tells you exactly what to post, what format to use, and even writes the scripts for each specific day. You literally never have to wake up and guess what you're doing.
But creating the content is just the start. The source outlines highly specific daily growth habits you need to follow. You should be posting daily AI-generated reels using tools like InVideo. You absolutely must end every post with a strong call to action. You want to spend maybe 20 minutes a day comment farming on similar accounts to draw attention back to your profile. You cross-collaborate, you engage with niche content daily. This trains the algorithm to know exactly who to push your content to. It's a very deliberate strategy to get eyeballs on your account.
Because as the source material so perfectly puts it, more eyeballs equals more leads, more potential sales, and more of an ability for you to make even more money online. That's the whole shebang. By following the AI's blueprint, you are systematically generating those eyeballs and funneling them directly toward those high-ticket commissions.
So, I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought. The technology you need is entirely free. The AI has already figured out the niches, written the bios, built the 30-day business plans, and drafted the content scripts. It even went out and found a 40% commission affiliate product for you. Literally all the heavy lifting is done. The only question left is, are you ready to hit post? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep building, and I will catch you next time.